Best Rotary Fabric Cutter Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular circular cutting tool in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll also share with you some of the features of what makes this rotary cutter so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to cut through fabric, paper and more using this tool. The one that made our list is the AUTOTOOLHOME Rotary Cutter. This cutting tool can cut up to 6 layers of fabric or paper at one time and is great for things like vinyl, leather, felt and construction paper. The blade is made of high quality steel that stays sharp for a longer period of time. There's a built-in locking feature that ensures the blade stays firmly in place, providing better accuracy and precision. The ergonomic clench handle ensures the blade will not easily engage, while the built-in safety lock prevents the blade handle from being pressed while not in use. The blades can be easily switched to opposite sides depending on whether you're left or right-handed, and this is great for users with hand ailments like arthritis or carpal tunnel syndrome. To check out the full specs of the AUTOTOOLHOME Rotary Cutter and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/rotarycuttingtool. Here's a quick video demo of how easy it is to use this rotary cutter. So there you have it, the AUTOTOOLHOME Rotary Cutter. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this tool, and its ergonomic safety design, we feel that this rotary cutter is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the AUTOTOOLHOME Rotary Cutter and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/rotarycuttingtool. Alright, thank you for watching.